Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I drill holes in glass. First you want to clean up the glass, make sure there's no stickers or sticky stuff left on your bottles or bottoms of your glasses. I'm going to show you how to do a side, a bottom of a bottle. I'm going to put a hole in the bottom of this little square guy, and I'm going to do one of these really thick guys. It comes out like this. Safety first, so make sure you have some good gloves with rubber grips and some safety glasses to protect your eyes. It's also recommended that you use a dust mask so that you don't breathe in the glass dust. Okay, so I got my glass cutting bits online from Amazon. Now you'll need to make yourself a template. Get an old scrap piece of wood, drill some holes in it with a wood drill bit. You want your bit to be able to fit in there easy, but you don't want it to move too much. Okay, grab a 2-liter bottle, a sewing needle, make yourself a little hole, and then fill it up with water and screw the cap on nice and tight. Okay, set up where you can make a mess. Mark where you want your hole. And set your water bottle up. Well, that way your water comes straight down. You want the stream to be hitting right next to the hole so that it kind of rolls in there. Make sure that you've got a towel down so it doesn't rock you all over the place. Let's get started. Okay, you want to line up your water, turn it on, grab your template, line it up with your mark, and hold on to your template good and tight. It's going to make sure that your bit doesn't wiggle and move around. There it is. Perfect. Now a thick bottom one. Once you get a little groove going, you can take your template away and just use the hole you've got going. Get stubborn, just kind of rock it back and forth a little bit, and go around in circles some. Make sure that water is aimed right at that hole. The thicker the glass, the hotter the bit's going to get. And it pops through, gets stuck, just run your drill a little bit as you're pulling it through. There it goes. The side of a bottle. Figure out where you want your hole. Turn on your water. Make sure it's aimed right where you want your hole drilled. Put your template in place. Now with thinner glass, it's wise to just leave this template in place and just pop through, because otherwise you could end up popping right through the glass and breaking it. The wood acts as kind of a cushion. Line it up. Drill through. Make sure your water's going right in the hole like it's supposed to. Rock it around a little bit. There it goes. There's the hole. I'm just going to aim that water right down into the hole. I don't really need a template because I can stick this right down in there. Make sure that water stays running in there. Hold your drill nice and steady. Wrap it around in the circles a little bit. There it goes. Perfect. And there's the one on the side, the one on the bottom. Here's a really thick one. Here's one that's not quite as thick, a little square. You can make lanterns, bird feeders, pretty much anything you want out of these things. Thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe.